Little girl getting it.
You don't want to hear that. We're not ready for that yet. What happened to that boy?
It's raining.
It's raining.
I
got it.
Oh! Eat that shit, bitches! Girls beat you!
It isn't over.
The girls beat you?
It isn't over.
What happened?
Wow.
Don't get it in.
And this is how the streak ends.
Don't get it
Look
in.
at Igor! Look at Igor! Somebody... You what? Put away all the sharp objects! Yo, my girl just did that to you?
Yeah. You remember what you did to us?
Yeah,
That's right.
what happened.
It wasn't memorable.
Alright, don't stop.
Arthur, you don't stop this. Don't worry.
Don't got this, bro.
You don't got this like I don't got that. Since I got that before I don't got that.
Oh, put my back.
I didn't got that.
Don't mess
Go ahead.
That's the spot right there. You gotta hit it, but you don't got that. You got the focus.
I'm
You
watching
get that.
there.
You got that and you get that.
If you don't make
you
this,
don't
you're out
got
of the
that.
fucking
No, not on the
family.
floor. Thank you.
The IFL will be angry.
Wait,
IFL is over.
The
if you get
IFL
this.
will be angry if you miss.
Oh, my anyways.
IFL will be angry if you
That's
get
all we're
this.
saying. That's all we're saying.
Don't get this.
There's no pressure.
Because if you got
There's no
this,
pressure.
then there
There's
is
no
no
pressure.
IFL.
There's zero pressure.
IFL is over.
Guys.
You got this.
There's zero pressure.
Game over for IFL.
Arthur's on top.
Arthur
The
Larry.
IFL is gone.
Is the IFL
There is no IFL.
IFL killer.
What is the IFL?
Alright, we don't
There is
even
no
have a
IFL.
Alright, fine. Julie said you can get it, so it's okay.
We couldn't win without you guys.
Could you fucking shoot
Arthur,
it?
don't matter, bro. Stop giving everybody suspense. You got this, bro.
Can
You
you
got it.
fucking hurry up, please, and miss?
You have it. It's in your hands.
Your manhood is in your hands right now. Do you understand?
Hold it. Hold it, bro.
It's
Hold
like
it in
the
your
first
hands.
time all over again.
Oh my god, can you fucking shoot the ball?
I got the whole world.
Come on, man.
I got the whole.
So much pressure.
Imagine you're 16.
What?
It's your first blowjob, bro. You're going
Hold
for
your
it.
manhood in
You're
your
going
hands.
for
You
it.
can't get it up.
You're going for the blowjob.
You're
Your
you're
dick
not
does
able
not
to
work.
do it. You're not able to do
Your dick
it.
just doesn't work. I don't know why. You're like you should drug me.
For some reason, she wants it.
Why
but she
isn't
can't
the
do it.
football league on their side?
Andre's coming up with like stories.
Game face, bro.
Look at
Game
Igor.
face.
Igor, kiss him on the mouth, bro. Let's go.
You know she wanted,
Your
but
cock?
you can't do it.
Your cock? I don't know why. There's no up. There's only down. There's only one direction.
Yeah.
Like the band of words. There's only down.
Is
There's
it
only
me? No, it's you.
Yes.
Alright, guys. Come on.
You want
I
it,
called
man?
clock. Alright, clock.
The girl says, is it me? No, it's not me.
It's fucking you.
Uncle
It's
Larry.
you.
It's like you.
Alright, guys.
You can't
Shut up.
Alright, tape their mouth.
get it in, Uncle Larry.
This is the longest shot in the
Right,
history of the
guys?
world.
Oh, man.
Okay, you have to get
Uncle
it.
Larry.
Shut it.
My grandfather could get it better.
What?
He's 74.
Guys.
Oh my god.
Yo, can you guys?
I like the pun on.
Because you know that you're shooting. Who told you?
That's not us.
Oh my god.
My grandfather.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Stop.
Every night.
Rita, cover his mouth.
Arthur Brooke, you can't stop laughing.
Uncle Larry.
Louis, are you really singing?
Because
Please don't.
Ah.
You wasted half an hour to fucking miss.
Come on, bro. Walk away right now. Just keep walking all the way to Staten
great shot, babe. You guys what?
The disappointment.
I told you I got this.
You good next?
I did, I did.
I think we do, yeah.
You guys got
Let's go, bro.
I'm returning your manhood to you.
I told you couldn't get it. Like my grandfather.
I now ready. Like the now pee. Yes.
And this is a Lucy girl.
Oh my god, stop. him. Slap him right now after that. Slap him.
Guys,
They're the
we
best
don't have
looking-
any deals.
Hey, that we've lost.
It's a blonde black.
By the way, for the record, are you recording?
I'm not happy.
Yeah,
They didn't drink their beer. I'm just saying. They didn't drink their beer. They didn't drink shit.
Give me the beer, bro.
It's embarrassing, bro.
Okay, enjoy.
It's alright. It's alright.
You guys want
Can I have a lighter in your pocket?
12 on 1.
Igor, one shot. It's on you.
How long have you been under drinking?
So sore loser not taking his shot.
Suffering.
You've suffered. You missed out on the whole party.
I know.
It's been, by the way, we had a lot of fun. Ladies, let's
Now,
go.
if anybody wants to play for money,
Oh, yeah.
My girlfriend will play you for money. I'll sponsor her.
let's go. So you can
I got 5 on her also.
stay. You can stay.